Lookahead assertions and grouping with Python regex. Say I have many lines of text, such as this one. And I want to find a number that looks like it is formatted the way accountants do. Then I want to look backwards and pull the word or words preceding that number. I have this for the number. Which looks correct. I have the full number and the parts of it, all of which I want. But I cannot figure out how to get the word or phrase before the number with a lookahead assertion. I tried. I spent 4 hours this week rereading regex docs and I still don't know if I am getting anywhere. Examples don't seem to work for me. I cannot use but. That sounds like a positive lookahead assertion with the general format of equals . Also, I am confused about the proper way to assign multiple lookahead assertions that all need to be true before the match returns. Is any different from? Because both yield the same results in this example. Update. Here are 3 examples for which I am struggling to find a regex answer. This returns. I would like the result to be. And I would like the code to be adjustable so that I could also return. With modifications. Update. Based on Casimir's answer, this returns better data, but I do not understand how get multiple word phrases preceding the number. And I don't know why. Gives an error, nothing to repeat. All I've done is change. 2. In the first group. Perhaps. Is better, because I get the first word and the second word back, but not sure how I can combine them and make them optional. Update. I've taken Casimir's answer, slightly modified, 0,2, changed to 0,1, and tested it with the final version. But the first test returns this, when second test statement is commented out. And the second test statement returns this, a list of results, what I want, sorta. But the statements are so similar, I don't know why one is missing the multiple numbers, labels in the list.
You don't need Lookahead at all. With 0, you can control how many words you want. If you want all the words, replace it by. If you want one word max, you must remove all the non-capturing group. If you want exactly 3 words, If you want to avoid single letters from a non-word, like the Q letter, you can add pattern details.
If you're mentor, c'est Emily, ben assez donc si gars subscribing.